Spoonbill lives in the emergent zone because they wade in shallow waters. The Roseate Spoonbill spends a lot of time in shallow waters feeding. It sweeps its bill from side to side in the water to catch its food. Then, their super sensitive bill will close as soon as it feels a critter, such as small shrimp, mollusks, and insects. The Roseate Spoonbill lives in mangrove swamps, tidal ponds, saltwater lagoons, bays, estuaries, shallow wetlands, and other areas with brackish, fresh, or salt water, and where the water is close to the roosting site. Their range is from North America's Gulf Coast, most notably in Texas and Florida, all the way down to the bottom tip of South America. When it is breeding season, the male and females will pair off. The female will lay 2 to 4 eggs in the nest they have built together. Both parents incubate the eggs for 3 weeks until the chicks hatches. Then they grow their flying feathers in about 35 to 42 days. The chicks are fed by their parents for about 8 weeks. They are able to breed at the age of 3 or 4. The Roseate Spoonbill have long legs that allow them to wade in water without getting their head and feathers wet. They have a spoon beak so they can easily spoon out food. They have nostrils on top of their beak so they can submerge their beak and still breathe. And a bill equipped with sensitive touch so when something touches it, its beak snaps shut and it can easily gobble its meal. The Roseate Spoonbill's enemies are vultures, raccoons, fire ants, and alligators. Since they have no other way of protecting themselves, they fly away. With their pink and white feathers, orange tail feathers, red legs, and black feet, they are very easy to spot. Like all wading birds, their legs are thin and very long, and they have a light beak that is spoon-shaped and has 2 small slits close to the top of the beak, meaning they can submerge their beak and still be able to breathe. The skin on their head is featherless and often has a greenish tinge to it. The adults can get as long as 80 centimeters, weigh as much as 2 kilograms, and their wings can get as long as 127 centimeters. A group of Roseate Spoonbill is called a bowl. The beaks of the chick spoonbills are straight and they get the spoon shape as the chick develops. The oldest known spoonbill was 16 years old. They get their pink plumage from the shrimp and other animals that they eat.